Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Happy Easter. So I'm here with Mixed Media Guy.
Happy Easter!
And we're going to acrylic pour some Easter eggs. These are just plastic eggs. You can get them at basically anywhere. Amazon, Target, Walmart, etc. They do come with dye, which we're not going to be using obviously. And the cool thing about these is they're really durable and you can use them for Easter egg hunts for years to come. So let's say with your kids, you maybe say if you find the acrylic pour ones, you get $1 or whatever, you know what I mean? We're each going to do 6 of these, and I have these foam pieces down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some nails into the eggs and then stick it into the foam pieces so that we can get maximum coverage on the eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on all of these, and then we'll be back. All right, we've got all our eggs set. We are using some leftover paint. This is all, the leftover paints are Teza pouring acrylic colors. And then we're also going to use some of the Folkart premix pouring paint, which is pretty watery. But I think we can use it with these, especially since the marbled look will actually look really good with these. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started.
And purple.
Yeah. So I'm going to do some with the more subdued pastel-y kind of colors. So it's probably best to just put a few ounces of paint in there and then kind of refill as you go. Yeah. Because you really don't need a lot.
That makes sense. I'm going loud and proud with these.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, turquoise.
Yeah.
No.
That's pretty empty. These ones over here are pretty empty. Just go away.
Haha, I got a little turquoise.
Okay. I'm going to use a little of this purple too.
Okay, I don't blame you. Ooh, orange.
I think that's good for my first one. Oh, maybe a little gold actually.
I'm going to top off the purple on there. Just a dash.
So you do not need a lot of paint. I just have maybe like 1 ounce of paint in here, and that should be enough to do probably a couple eggs. You just want to pour slowly from the top, and I find the tree ring is the easiest.
Good colors.
And then kind of just let it roll, and you can come back and touch it up as needed.
Let it roll, let it roll.
Yeah, but pour slowly, babe.
Yep.
Otherwise, you'll use way more paint than you need to.
Pouring slow.
So that's not slow.
Well, what's your definition of slow?
Not that. Anyways, so that was more than enough to cover 2 eggs. If you did miss any spots, you know, just carefully touch them up with your fingers. And it's going to keep running down. So I think those 2 are good. I like my colors, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and go on to the next ones.
Am I going to cover?
I would add some more. And then, let's see. I think the next ones I'll do a bit brighter colors. Bolder colors, I guess, as you would say.
Bold moves.
Now remember, that paint is pretty watery.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to make a little more muddy. That's kind of what happens.
See.
I'm going to use neons.
See what happens? No.
Neons and blacks, I think, for the next couple.
Yeah.
But I do still have those pastels in the bottom, so that will come out. Alright. So watch, babe. Start at the top and then just go slowly around, because you want to make sure it falls pretty evenly.
Yeah.
If you pour too fast, it's hard to kind of gauge it.
Okay. Somewhere like that?
Yeah, exactly like that.
Alright. All right, as Matthew McConaughey would say.
Oh man, that one's gorgeous. I don't even like pink, but That's cool. Okay, now I'm gonna get some blues in here.
I got the blues.
So
It doesn't seem like it's gonna cover. I don't know. What do you think? It's not using enough? Or am I just
you're
not doing
definitely
it right?
using plenty. But go ahead and touch it up with your finger gently. And try not to knock your egg over.
Yeah, right?
Okay, I'm gonna leave that to you.
Okay,
You got this.
Leaning tower of egg. Yeah, nope.
Nope. So I'm going to go ahead and take you down and start showing you a close-up of the sides. And then, of course, we'll let these dry and come back and see how they look then. Okay, so these are mine. I like these couple pastel-y ones. And then we got some more wild, bold ones. That's just fun.
Yeah.
And even if you don't get full coverage, I wouldn't stress about it too much.
Nope.
Like I do have a couple spots myself to touch up here.
I think Sarah would like that one.
Yeah?
Because I think it looks like cotton candy, and you know, our kid and cotton candy.
Alright, we'll bring you back up for the top view again. Okay, awesome. So we'll go ahead and get some spots touched up, let these dry, and then we'll be back.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back. These are not 100% dry, but mostly. I did actually end up going over a couple of them again because I wasn't totally happy, and now I think they're awesome. These ones are Johnny's. Definitely overall on the darker side, but still really cool. So this is just a super fun and easy Easter project. You can now seal these with any kind of varnish, resin, etc. and have fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think down in the comments, and I would love to know also what you guys did with your families for Easter. Hope you had a very enjoyable one, and I will see you next time.